So as you can see, I've got the seat off. That came off quite easily. We got the two spring mounts and then this front pivot bolt. It popped right off of there. There it is over there. And now I just show you how easy the back fender comes off. Of course, the lighting, tail light, brake light, signal lights, it's just a one lead unplug. And then we have these slotted where the slotted frame where the fender rails mount on the frame of the bike. So really all you have to do, I don't know if you can see it, all you have to do, where is it? There it is loosen the nut and the fender skirt just slides right off of there. So I'm just going to pull it off. I've already loosened all of the nuts, and it's just a matter of lifting the whole assembly off of the frame.